Hello, our friends. Almost every day I receive a comment or an email with the question, what type of paper I use. Is it hot pressed or cold pressed? Why use hot pressed and not cold pressed? And what is the difference between both of these papers? Let's tackle this issue in this video. First of all, I do use cold pressed paper, very rarely for achieving some results. Here we have a 𝗡𝗖𝗞𝗏. And here I have another sketchbook which is smooth and hot pressed. And here is 𝗙𝗛𝗏 flower head on a very smooth surface. Let's see the difference. Cold pressed paper has a textured surface. Here is a close-up and you can see how the 𝗡𝗖𝗞𝗏 is textured. And hot pressed paper is very smooth and even. Here you can see the evenness of the 𝗙𝗛𝗏. Now let's see on a real test the difference on both papers. This is a cold pressed paper that I have. You see the texture on the surface of the paper. I can even feel a textured surface with a touch. And I will make a little sample of graphite square. As I am applying graphite, there are still some white spots visible because of the texture. Let's see hot pressed paper. Here are they both together and we can instantly see the difference. One is very smooth and the other is more rougher. Now let's do a square. And it instantly feels much smoother. Graphite covers the whole surface. And the finished look is more even on the hot pressed paper. Let's have them side by side. With different pressure of the pencil, I'm showing you the difference on both papers. It is really a matter of your subject choice and style of painting. What do you want to achieve and what result you want to get? Now let's see how watercolors differ on both paper types. First, I'm using cold pressed paper, applying even watercolor layer. It's very beautifully blending, but the difference comes in the detailing. As I do more finer brush strokes and I need more crisper lines, then cold pressed paper is not my choice in realistic and detailed painting. And hot pressed paper, applying even and smooth layer. And now to the detailing. Main reason I'm using hot pressed paper is for the details, fine brush strokes, very crisp edge lines. I can paint with the finest brush with the very tip of that brush and get a very super fine lines, very thin. Here is side by side both papers and the result of watercolors. On a cold pressed paper, my edge lines look uneven and fine lines are not so fine. But hot pressed paper has everything neat and super detailed. Here's a close-up of my painting. And look at the fine edge lines, how crisp they are. Everything, especially the finest, smallest details, can be really worked through. Also in this example, crisp lines, neat edges, everything is even, and those fine brush strokes that can be achieved on hot pressed paper. If you want to get realistic and detailed painting result and never tried hot pressed paper, I highly recommend give it a go. Both paper types are great for achieving different results. I am painting realistic and more detailed paintings, So my choice is hot pressed paper. If you like more looser, less detailed painting, then cold pressed paper can be your choice. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye bye.